Yes, it is a match day, a final, the clash of two titans. I mean Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates Football Club, a Nedbank Cup final at the Ionic Lucas Moripe Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs under the managerial guidance of Tunisian football manager Nasruddin Mohamed Nabi. They prepared their lineup in a 4-2-3-1 formation, starting with Brandon Peterson as a goalkeeper, but Zita Kwinika and Inacio Miguel will act as center backs. Emerson Dove will act as a left back, while Dillon Solomon will act as a right back. Thabo Thele and Yusuf Maz will act as a defensive midfielders, while Gaston Sirino Rodriguez will act as a central attacking midfielder. Maccabi Lilepo Golli will act as a right winger. Pule Modi will act as a left winger for today, and the lone striker will be the young, energetic and talented Wandile Duba. When we come into Orlando Pirates Football Club and managerial guidance of Jose Rivero, also they prepared their lineup in a 4-2-3-1 formation, starting with the Shefo Chaine as a goalkeeper, but Nkosina Sibisi and Mbekeze Limbokazi will act as the center backs. Diano Van Rooyen will act as a right back. Dion Hoto will act as a left back. Talente Mbata and Mahelin Makaula will act as a defensive midfielders. Patrick Mashwanganyi will act as a central attacking midfielder. Relebohile Mofokeng will act as a left winger. Mohau Nkota will act as a right winger, and Evidence Magopa, affectional as Lewandowski, will act as a forward for today. So this is a lineup for both two teams as they seek to lift up Nedbank Cup trophy. For Kaizer Chiefs, it will be a very important trophy for them because they lost it for almost 5 years now. But Orlando Pirates, they are top in lifting it and they are defending champions, so they will need to get it more